O boy Jawa Ekadina. Ukunu Jawa Ekadina. Tiede me person no keka. Akronfo be 2 TV kwa Ekadina. Yeah. Eniye mebi wo ho a yemfa ya dwene nko ho eti asem tu obi a na fe wo bisa se nyame na wo he na we atome anope na me ne asafo no idi nkomo efa atogide nchemu eto Ghana ebesi magidano a me took whilst my plane was flying to Belgium that day na asem nesi me kodru US in Virginia. This was what this nation was going through. It's a very painful, painful. You know, a nipa way, anya nipa yedi omudi agro. Very brainy, intelligent people. Dr. Edward Kofi is my brother. He is my first cousin from my mother. Into at same way, no, and meeting news. I have lost a brother. He is my brother from my Yadeneto Yenana Date. Date no or ye my brother, the chief of staff, Omuna Yadumuna two-way. So this man is my brother, enyen chain. Ne ma mi free kuvodia ba ne papa free bombe. Oye bombi ni ufri me kurum ufri me busiem oye minua. Yenim se adie na. Obi kaso okọ ofe plane free ya na okaso okọ bi anfanse kumase ya. Just 30 minutes or less. See the helicopter and less. Less than 25 minutes. They should be there. One more bounce we need 30 minutes. One might be blown cry. It met me a crass me basisia. Me basisia na koda ni suwo ye ne kwadom brabo.